Hi everyone, it's rhubarb season, so what better way to start it than with one of my favourite rhubarb recipes. Today I'm making a rhubarb and ginger slice. This is definitely a recipe you need to try. If you love rhubarb as much as I do, then you're really going to love this. The first thing we need to do is we need to prep the rhubarb, so chop it up small and pop the rhubarb into a saucepan, add in sugar and water. Stir it up together. We need to simmer this on a low heat for about 10 minutes so we've got a stewed rhubarb. In a medium-sized bowl, add flour, bicarbonate soda or baking soda and light brown sugar. You can use caster sugar either. Give the mixture a good mix to combine. Add in room temperature butter and we need to rub this into the dry ingredients. The texture of the mixture will be a little sticky as you rub it in. When the mixture is just like this, add in the porridge oats and the ground ginger if you're using it. Rub it in until the mixture starts to clump together. Now that that's done, we can get this into the tin. This tin I'm using measures 9 inches by 9 inches. Spoon in 2/3 of the mixture and you can spread it right out to the sides. Press it down with your fingers until it's level. Pour the cool rhubarb on top and using a spoon you can level it out. Check out the recipe in the description box down below. Now add the remaining mixture, sprinkle it evenly over the top so all the rhubarb is covered and press it down a little. Bake it for about 35 to 40 minutes. Here we have it, and it smells wonderful and looks great too. Allowed to cool in the tin before cutting into 16 pieces. This rhubarb and ginger slice has a really nice crunch to it and it's got a lovely amount of stewed rhubarb in the centre. I really hope you try out this rhubarb and ginger slice recipe. Please subscribe to my channel or follow my page. Happy baking everyone! Enjoy!